do is want to mark 16.5 inches from the top of the plate, which is right here. It's our 16.5 inch mark. We've got a tab that's approximately 4.5 inches. We need to clear the area. We're going to clean it so we can weld to it. So 4.5 inches basically up from here. That's the area we want to clean. We want to clean the paint off all this area so we can grind it. So we can weld it. The tabs will go towards the outside. Same thing on this side, 16.5 inches. About 4.5 more. That's the area we're going to clean. Now we're going to remark 16.5 inches. That will be the bottom of the tab. Take our brake and mount tabs temporarily. And on one side we're going to put a washer as a shim. You're going to want to make sure the brakes hit the tires at the same time, and that the tabs are centered. Once they are, that's that there. You want to tap it in place. All right, I got to find a weld. Okay, are you doing that right? Good. So once your tabs are located, you want to tack them in place. Your tabs tacked in place. Remove the bolts and the brake. Get that side, put the shims, move the washers. tack the ends good because you don't want it to pull from side to side. Pull one weld on each side and then you can fully weld. Should have taken these tires off. Now with a little bit of a weld on the other side, you can fully weld this side. Now we'll install the brake to the tabs. We'll leave out our shim. Should fit loosely in between the tabs. The kit will come with a Stover C lock nut, which will be tightened. Not all the way down, but left just a little bit of play in between the two, so your brake will operate easily. Put the springs on. Attach your springs.
Actually, to the brake first.
What's it? How it does? Attach your spring to the brake first, using some locking pliers. Repeat on the other side. Brake is installed.